fear. I am not with you. I can never jealous you in this life and in the next life. Then why am I saying? Oh, Mrs. Yobosa, they will wear. Wonderful way am I saying? I want you people to think.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today, me not just to analyze here. So I see a video where one presenter do yesterday when they say they insult Mrs. Yobosa. They say that fake life she dey live. She dey live fake life. She dey come the light of people. Life where she dey live not be real. All those money where they talk say your husband pay for am. They say that lie. So many people they angry put. Many people calling for the live video. They insult Mrs. Yobosa. Don't be small thing. They say that fake life now she dey live. So what it make me want to talk for this matter be say I beg my Edo people. My Edo people, my Edo beautiful people and cute people. Everybody must not do saga. Everybody get wetin carry and come social media. Mrs. Yobosa, if you like, make she dey fake wetin she dey do. Na herself na she dey deceive. Una understand? If she like, she showcase na so your husband buy this one for am. Na so your husband do this one. Na so your husband buy Bond Street for me, that one no go treat me say I go dey follow my own dey fight for his house. No, everybody get her in your marriage dey. If let's assume say na truth, say your husband dey really dey do all those things for am, na luck. E no mean say my husband must do the same thing when your husband dey do. You understand, my darling people? Because many people dey say na fake. She dey lie. She dey lie. If she like, she deceive herself. E no concern anybody. As she no dey do saga, she dey do this kind one wey she dey do so. For me, na very good thing. At least all Edo people wey dey do presenter, they must not do saga. No, they must not do saga. Una understand? So na it make me say make I do this video. Mrs. Yobosa like make she fake am, make she not fake am. E no concern us. You understand? That one na her life. And I just like her things wey she dey do. She no dey do saga, she just dey do. Na so your husband buy am this one, Oni buy me Bond Street, Oni spray money for me. All of us we dey this Germany. We know how it dey play. So if she like, she fake am. My own be say, Mona not draw her come saga. All Edo must not do saga. Everybody must not do saga. No. It's not good. Everybody must not do saga, my darling people. When I understand, I know say wetin dey talk. Some of una go dey pick offense, put the verse. And for me, I beg all of us, may we not just put head for one place. My darling people.
€1,000. This is your boss allow go. I don't get at Gomawa. Oh, that's where they are for no way. A phone here, the Palansano.
And why am I O2 Malaya Mofo? What on their phone where? Oh, no man.
Una yeah. She say Mrs. Yobosa talk am say your husband buy phone for am €1,000. Say na lie, now she did lie. She want use am take give people appreciation for social media. That is why I talk and just start say. Maybe why is that they give appreciation to our women then. That is why I talk and just now say everybody not go put head for one place. If Mrs. Yobosa dey fake am, na he know. You understand? Now she know. And you don't go because of that one now go dey task your husband. No. And what your husband go fit do for you, now he go do for you. You understand? So I know say some of una go dey feel am for body. So now man dey do this kind thing, this that. If it still be true too. Because not be everything I be life for this life. If it still be truth and if it not still be truth, But that never reach for us to come out, they do saga, no gay. I know say you person when I like, but oh no, now the woman never really near you. I don't know whether she felt out to you, I don't know, but make all of us, make all the don't not just they do saga, I beg. Make all the don't not just they do saga. You understand? But we make all of us not just they do saga. No, at least some. As she dey do her own things, they do her own showcase, they they shook mouth using direct, they insult anybody. I never really see her when she dey using direct, they insult anybody. But I don't know whether people don't see her. But for me, obviously I just dey sit down, they wash her like that. But sometimes when the thing go just flash, I say okay, ma still wash small. But all those people wey come dey call, they say she dey using direct. I don't know. But everybody must not do saga. That is just my own. I make me want to do this video. Everybody must not do saga. Make all of us not put head for one place. No. As this Mrs. Iyobosa they do her own things, more not just leave her like that. I beg. She know they do saga. She just they do her own things. I beg. I know say some of una the thing they vex una say what she they do, but I think say maybe na her own topic na just be that one. Everybody gets their own topic for this social media. You understand? So I believe say na her own topic na she just they do. So when we leave her for that her topic, make sure they do her own topic. Not be every time you enter here saga, you enter here saga, you go enter here saga. We won't go even learn anything again for the social media. One of you do saga till we old now. Fabona not the reason I like that. I beg my darling people. As this Mrs. Iyobosa they do her own things, Mona yo leave her. Mona not call her con saga. Ona wa we reban. Hijeme. Ya wa we the baby ligi. Ave teve na ave ya stopping the car ro. Ove wa we the baby re. O me no je my darling people. Wage have stop have saga na have saga ye no. Not good again for here. When I understand. Not really good again like that. So more will stop all those saga things, and more we see bring what go see motivate our people. What our people go want learn from. You understand? Saga everywhere. So it's not good at all. So as Mrs. Iyobosa just they do her own things, me we leave her. Make sure they showcase her things. Or if fake or my fake na he can know. Now she can know that one. Now so it just be my darling people. Okay, my ogbonge people. Thank you. Take care. Anything wanna think about the video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.